Hello everyone. Welcome to Thai for Beginners Lesson 2. Get to know and learn Thai alphabets. In this lesson, you will learn phonetics and writing. Thai consonants, symbol and sound. Thai alphabets have 44 consonant symbols that produce 21 initial consonant sounds used at the beginning of a syllable and 6 final consonant sounds used at the end of a syllable. Thai is divided into low, mid, and high consonant sounds. As many letters have the same sound, the consonant symbol or consonant name are very important to be avoided understanding the wrong letter. So every letter has its own symbol. The first phoneme of all letters show the sound, and other following phonemes tell the symbol. This is an example of the consonant symbol in Thai alphabets. กอไก่ Gõ is the first consonant sound. Let us know the sound of G. Gai. The following one is gai as a symbol of a chicken. This is the same thing in English when you read English alphabets with a symbol like A ant, B boy, and C cat. Before leaping to the lesson how to read and write Thai alphabets, there are two important rules that you need to know about writing. There are no spaces in Thai. A space in Thai is used to indicate the end of a clause or sentence. Thai writing directly starts from the left to the right in horizontal lines. And over here, I'm showing you Thai writing separate a clause and sentence by a space. After learning a little bit of Thai alphabets and Thai writing rules, now it's time to practice pronouncing and writing Thai alphabets. Let's start. กอไก่ ขอไข่ ขอขวด คอควาย คอคน คอระฆัง งองู จอจาน ฉอชิง ชอช้าง ซอโซ่ ชอเชอ ยอหญิง ดอชะดา ตอปะตัก ถอฐานทอมนโททอผู้เท่านอเนนดอเด็กตอเต่าถอถุงทอทหารทอธงนอหนูบอใบไม้ปอปลาผอพึ่งฝอฝาพอพานฟอฟันพอสำเภามอม้ายอยักษ์รอเรือลอลิงวอแหวนสอศาลาสอฤาษีสอเสือหอหีบลอจุลาออ่างฮอนกฮูกThanks for watching and learning with Miss Vanida. If you like it, please subscribe.